A water hazard, I guess, something different.
There you go. And we didn't have much water hazard in Albuquerque today, but across the southeast, some pretty good storms. And what do you do on a day when there aren't a lot of storms? Well, in Weather Nerd Land, you look at clouds and find out where the face is. Can you see the face in here?
No. Not sure.
Nothing?
Not unless it's a cyclops.
Okay, we got a couple eyes.
I didn't even see that. Yeah.
Okay, maybe.
All right, okay, let's move on. Show you what's going on here. 77 degrees, winds out of the south, 17 miles an hour. Checking out what's happening here temperature-wise. 60s and 70s to the north, down to the south. Same sort of deal. Pretty uniform temperature profile across the state for now, and actually tomorrow be pretty similar. Everybody looks like, yeah, for the most part anyway, unless you go up into the Sangres into the 80s. As far as what's happening right now, the deeper moisture across eastern New Mexico as it kind of curls in up from the south here. And what we're going to see tomorrow is another focus across the south and east for our strongest storms here. So the overall setup looks like this. Low pressure continues to sit to our west. High pressure to the east. These two combine to push moisture up from the south. Some from the Pacific and some from the Gulf. Most of it's going to hang out across the east for tomorrow. The west, we could definitely see a few showers, central sections in Albuquerque and out toward Grants and Gallup, but you'll see the higher number of storms across the eastern side of the state, a lot like today, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, simply because we so badly need the moisture in those areas. So the precipcast shows things dying down overnight tonight. We lose the heat of the day, and then we'll see things calm down a bit, although a stray shower possible overnight and throughout the day tomorrow. Scattered showers across the south and east, but watch what happens on Saturday. We start to see the moisture expand again across the state. The reason for that is going to be that low pressure, which currently is sitting to our west, is going to skip through the state. So that's going to help provide some extra lift and make these showers on Saturday a little more of a statewide deal versus just across the eastern side of the state. So what then happens to the monsoon flow as we start to see that low pressure kick out of here from the west? That kind of takes us out of the monsoon mix on Sunday and Monday. But there are some more changes on the way, because once this thing kicks on out of here, we'll get a break Sunday and Monday, probably a little bit drier, although a stray storm is possible. Then we are going to recharge the monsoon, meaning we're going to drop another area of low pressure to our west. So that could once again next week reset up the same sort of deal. High pressure to the east, low pressure to the west, and more scattered showers this time across the western side of the state. Now that'll be probably Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week. We'll watch that for you, let you know if it ends up shaking out. But that gives you an idea of what we expect here as we head through the next few days up to about 5 to 7 days out. 88 Farmington tomorrow, 84 Towson, 87 in Tucumcari. Back toward the south and west, spot showers possible here tomorrow, 79 in Silver City and 80s, Lordsburg, Deming, and Las Cruces southeast. Best chance for good rain here. We saw it today, could see it again tomorrow. Carlsbad 87, 85 Roswell and 84 in Fort Sumner. East Mountains, spot shower possible here as well with partly cloudy skies and temps for the most part in the 80s. And then the Albuquerque area, temps going to top out tomorrow in the mid to low 80s, 86 downtown and 85 in Placitas. There's your Santa Fe 7-day outlook. Spot showers over the next couple of days. Then that break for Sunday and Monday. Albuquerque looking similar. I think if we're going to see a shower, our best shot will be Saturday. Not that we couldn't see one tomorrow, but a little better chance Saturday. And then we'll watch next week for another chance at that monsoon flow returning.
Mid-90s maybe next week,
We'll see what happens.
Whoa.
Finally getting up there.
Thanks, Mark.
Okay.